Hey there, fellow finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday banking tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to view your HDFC credit card statement online in 2025. If you're an HDFC credit card holder, this quick guide will save you time and help you stay on top of your finances without any fuss. Let's get started. First things first. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and your HDFC net banking login details handy. This process is straightforward, but security is key, so always use a secure device. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and head to the official HDFC Bank website at www.hdfcbank.com. Look for the Net Banking option at the top of the page and click on it to proceed. Step 2. Enter your user ID and password in the login fields. If you're using this for the first time in 2025, you might need to verify your details or update your profile for any new security features. Step 3. Once logged in, navigate to the Cards section, usually found on the dashboard or in the menu. Select Credit Cards, and then choose your specific card if you have multiple. Step 4. Look for the Statements or e-Statements option. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available statements by month and year. For 2025, make sure to select the most recent one. Step 5. Preview or download your statement in PDF format. You can view it directly on the site or save it to your device for records. Remember, HDFC might have updated their interface slightly for better user experience, so keep an eye out for any prompts. A quick tip. If you encounter any issues, like login problems, double-check your credentials or contact HDFC customer support through their app for instant help. This method is not only eco-friendly but also ensures you have access to your statements 24/7. There you have it. That's how you view your HDFC credit card statement online in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart with your money.